The Utah Student 25 event is patterned after the Inc. 500, where we find the best private student-founded and run businesses on college campuses across the state of Utah and recognize and celebrate their success. We're going to do a ranking 1 to 25 of those businesses. We're going to culminate in November of 2009 with an event that will be a black tie type of event that brings all of the venture ecosystem leaders and venture capitalists, angel investors, as well as the students together to network and create an environment building up the future and celebrating their success now. We're involving at all levels of the universities, from the administration, the faculty, and the students, and getting and pulling out these companies and finding who they are and what they're doing. We're involving professionals, and it's just a fantastic time for all of us to come together and try to assure the future success of Utah and its entrepreneurial spirit.